Hello, good evening everyone. Today in this video we are going to continue our some MCQs on paper 1 animal systematics, study of rat and digestive system. Its second video. I am Dr. Muhammad Ismail, Department of Zoology, JT College Malegaon. So let's start. Question number 15. Oxyntic cells of stomach secretes dash dash dash, and the options are option A pepsinogen, option B hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor, option C mucus, and option D none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option B HCl and intrinsic factor. There are different cells present in gastric gland of stomach. In that goblet cells are there, oxyntic cells are there. Okay, so the oxyntic cells of stomach secrete HCl and intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor are responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12, and hydrochloric acid are responsible for chemical digestion of food or chemical breakdown of food in stomach. So the correct answer is B. Next one, question number 16. Pepsinogen enzyme is secreted by dash dash dash. Options are option A oxyntic cells, option B chief cells, option C goblet cells, and option D parietal cells. These are different cells of gastric gland. So the pepsinogen enzyme secreted by which of these cells? Correct option or correct answer is option B chief cells. Chief cells secrete proenzyme, which is known as pepsinogen enzyme, which when it comes in contact with hydrochloric acid with a specific pH converted into active enzyme pepsin. So the correct answer is chief cells. Question number 17. A small intestine can be differentiated into. Means what are the different parts of small intestine? Options are duodenum, U-shaped, jejunum, straight, and ileum. Option B is jejunum, ileum, and duodenum. Option C is duodenum, ileum, and jejunum. And option D is ileum, duodenum, and jejunum. So the correct answer of this question is option A. Means small intestine start from duodenum, then jejunum, and then ileum. Then from ileum enter into large intestine. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option A. Next question, question number 18. Large intestine is differentiated into which part and which part are consisting or comprising the large intestine? Options are option A cecum, option A cecum, rectum, and colon. Then option B is cecum, colon, and rectum. Option C is colon, rectum, and cecum. And option D is rectum, cecum, and colon. So the correct answer of this question is option B. Means small intestine enter into a sac-like structure which is known as cecum, and from this cecum a finger-like structure present which is known as vermiform appendix. Lymphoid tissue present in vermiform appendix. Then cecum continue into colon, ascending, transverse, and descending colon, and then colon enter into rectum. So the correct answer of this is the cecum, colon, rectum, option B. Next question, question number 19. The main functions of salivary gland is to secrete dash dash dash. Options are option A saliva, option B digestive juice, option C insulin, and option D all of the above. Very simple question, and the correct answer of this question obviously option A saliva. Saliva consisting of 90% water, then salivary amylase digestive enzyme is present, some serous fluid, some mucus is there. So these constitute the saliva. Okay, means carbohydrate digestion start at our mouth in the buccal cavity. So Next question is question number 20. Which of the following is not constituents of saliva? Following are some options. In this, you have to find out the part which is not contained in saliva. Options are serous fluid, option B salivary amylase, option C mucus, and option D intrinsic factor. So the correct answer of this question is option D intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor, actually it is a protein present in our stomach which is useful for absorption of vitamin B12. Okay, so it is not the part of saliva. Next one, question number 21. Structural and functional unit of liver is dash dash dash. What are the structural and functional unit of liver? Options are option A hepatocyte, option B hepatic lobule, option C acinar cells, and option D all of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option A hepatocyte. Hepatocytes are the structural and functional unit of a liver. Next one, question number 22. Dash organ secretes bile for the digestion of fats. Options are liver, option B lungs, option C kidney, and option D spleen. Dash organ secretes bile for the digestion of fat, and the correct answer of this question is option A liver. Liver secrete bile consisting of some bile salts and pigments, bilirubin and biliverdin, which is actually the part of globin, means hemoglobin, which is after 120 days broken down in the liver and it's converted into bilirubin and biliverdin, and this constitute the bile, and bile helps in emulsification of fat in small intestine. From liver, the bile is secreted via duct and is stored in the gallbladder, and from gallbladder it enter into the duodenum. Next one, question number 23. The process by which the body break down food so that it can be used for energy. The process by which body breaks down the food so that it can be used for energy, utilized as energy. Options are option A composition, option B digestion, option C deposition, and option D absorption. Very simple question. So the correct answer of this question is digestion. Okay. Question number 24. Dash is not the part of bile. Options are bilirubin, biliverdin, bile salts, and digestive enzyme. These are the four options, and out of these, one is not the part, and one of these is not the actual constituent of bile. So the correct answer of this is option D digestive enzyme. No any enzyme present in bile. Bile basically consisting of salt, some water, some pigments, and these whole constituent helps in digestion of fat or absorption of fat. So no any digestive enzyme is present. So the correct answer of this question is D. Question number 25. Bile ducts open into dash dash dash. Means from liver bile duct arises and it opens into, options are jejunum, option B is stomach, option C is duodenum, and option D is ileum. In which part in these options bile ducts open? Correct answer of this question is option C duodenum. So duodenum is the initial part of the small intestine which starts from stomach. U-shaped tubular structure is there. So in this duodenum, pancreatic as well as bile duct commonly open, and this duct is known as pancreatic duct as well as bile duct, and this convey the bile from liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Okay, so in duodenum these two ducts open, bile ducts as well as pancreatic duct. Question number 26. Trypsinogen, amylopsin, and lipase enzymes are secreted by dash. Options are option A liver, option B pancreas, option C, gallbladder, and option D, intestine. Trypsinogen is a proenzyme, amylopectin is a carbohydrate digestive enzyme, and lipase is a lipid digestive enzyme. So these three enzymes are basically secreted by option is, the correct answer is B, pancreas. Pancreas basically secretes these enzymes and it helps in digestion of protein, carbohydrate and lipid respectively. Next one, question number 27. Which of the following is an endocrine part of pancreas? Options are given below. Of these, which is the endocrine part of pancreas? Options are option A, acinar cells, option B, hepatic lobules, option C, chief cells, and option D, islets of Langerhans. So the correct answer of this question is D, islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans are the endocrine part of pancreas, while the acinar cells are the exocrine part of pancreas. Though pancreas have dual origin and dual mode of functions, endocrine as well as exocrine. So exocrine part is acinar cells and endocrine part is islets of Langerhans. Next question is, islets of Langerhans of the pancreas secrete dash. Options are insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, and D, option D is all of the above. So islets of Langerhans are the endocrine part of pancreas, and we know that the secretion of endocrine part or endocrine gland is known as hormones. These hormones are the chemical messengers, okay, and they have to travel in blood and went up to the target organ and carried out some specific functions. So islets of Langerhans are the endocrine part of pancreas, and they secrete. Option, the correct answer of this question is D, all of the above. Though insulin, glucagon and somatostatin all are hormones secreted by the cells present in islets of Langerhans like alpha cell, beta cells, delta cells. Okay. So these are the some important multiple choice questions on digestive system. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.